Hey guys, it's mcfixit here. I'm going to be testing out the US General Magnetic Glove / Tissue Dispenser. This is a dispenser that I've been wanting for a while now. Pretty inexpensive, but I just haven't bought one. This one is the metallic version, so I will show it next to a toolbox that it will stick to. And so I'm going to go ahead and open it up. You can get this at Harbor Freight, pretty inexpensive. There's not a lot to it, but it does hold gloves really well. So as I pull this thing out, you'll see it is a pretty simplistic design. It also does allow you to put screw holes in it if you don't have the option of the 4 magnetic pieces. So it's best if it is stored this direction. I'm going to try a number of sizes of boxes out. These are just the Walmart gloves you can get, and that works. It's a little small for that. Let's try something a little bit bigger. These are my favorite ones. These are the Grease Monkeys. That box fits very snug in there. The reason I like these is they have a little bit of textured and they're really thick. It's a 6 millimeter. And then these are another pretty good set of gloves. Little thicker box. You might have to position it a little bit, but again, those come out pretty easily. And then this is just another random set of gloves that I got, and that will fit in there as well. There is a little bit of room. It is nice that these things do have the side pieces that compress a little bit. Let's go ahead and take this to a toolbox and check out the magnetic sides to it. So here is a really messy toolbox that I use almost every day for disc dies, and we're just going to go ahead and wow, it really sticks well. It's got you got to pull it pretty hard. So I really like that. I might be getting another one because I have a number of toolboxes in my garage, and you can tell this one actually had a sticker behind it before I spray painted it. And so that thing works well. You probably can also do it sideways if you want gloves to be able to pull it out like that. One of the other cool things, it has multiple different colors. So red, black, blue, green, orange, yellow, and white. And you can be able to choose the color you prefer and be able to put it on a toolbox or any other magnetic surface, or even hang it on your wall. So overall, I really like this design. It's got really nice magnets. They even have a little coating on it, so it does not mess up your toolbox and scratch it, but still has a lot of stick and grab to it. It can be used sideways like this or up and down like this. Again, if you want to use the wall mounts, you can use those as well. I believe if you're only using small boxes, you can probably bend this in a little bit. I have not tested that, but just my assumption, you probably can make it work for you. Overall, I'm pretty impressed with this design. Not very expensive. I'll put a link down in the description. I'm not sponsored by Harbor Freight or anything like that. I just try to get good products at pretty good prices. And obviously this is one that will last a really, really long time because it's a simple design, but also very effective. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, make sure to put that in the comment section down below. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. It really does help my channel grow and allows me to do more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching this review. I hope you have a great day.